To withdraw cash from an EBT card in Texas, locate an ATM that accepts EBT transactions, identifiable by the EBT logo or by inquiring with the bank hosting the ATM. Once an appropriate ATM is found, insert the EBT card into the slot with the chip facing upwards and enter the corresponding PIN. Select the correct transaction type from the ATM's menu, choosing the EBT option before proceeding to the withdrawal option. It is essential to select the cash benefits option, specifically choosing the account related to temporary assistance for needy families, as SNAP benefits cannot be used as cash. Enter the desired withdrawal amount, taking note of any applicable limits and fees. Confirm the transaction and wait for the withdrawal process to complete. Afterward, collect the dispensed cash, EBT card, and receipt for future reference. Withdrawing cash from an EBT card in Texas involves these straightforward steps.